Good morning, students. Today, let us discuss about Cartesian product, which we have learnt in first PUC. Anyway, let us once again recap the definition. What is the meaning of Cartesian product? How it is denoted and how it is written. For this, let us consider two non-empty sets. Let us consider two non-empty sets. Say A. So I will consider one set as A, and say B. Say 4, 5. So I have taken two non-empty sets A and B. Then we say that Cartesian product from set A to set B. So here we have to understand here clearly. Set A to set B. Cartesian product from set A to set B. I am defining from set A to set B. There are two ways here. I can define it from set A to set B, also from set B to set A. So let us consider one by one here. So I am defining Cartesian product from set A to set B. So it is written as A cross B. Set A to set B, it is written as A cross B. So it is read as cross. And first, let us see how we can write this through this example. Then I will tell the definition. A cross B. So we are considering here A as first set and B as second set. So let us observe here. First element is 1. So we can write it, we know, in the ordered form, ordered pair. So say 1, 4. So we write this as here first element 1, and in second set we have 4. So attach that element 1, 4. So it is one ordered pair. Then we can start it 1, 5. Okay, 1 is over. Then you take the second element here 2, 4 and 2, 5, and let us take last element 3, 4, 3, 5. So we call these as ordered pairs. Ordered pairs. So we can say 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 4, 2, 5, 3, 4, 3, 5. So here we got 6 ordered pairs. So this A cross B, what I have written here is, this is called as Cartesian product from set A to set B. Okay, this we have learnt in first PUC. Suppose if I want to write the Cartesian product from set B to set A. So observe here, I have written set B and set A. So I can write it as B cross A. Then we have to focus here. I have written B cross A. So what is the first element in the set B? So you start from there, 4, 1, then 4, 2, 4, 3. Then you take the second element here, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3. So here I got B cross A. So both these A cross B and B cross A are called Cartesian products. Here the difference is, here we have defined Cartesian product from set A to set B. So we got these ordered pairs. So we can also write or define from set B to set A, that is B cross A. So in this way we can write the Cartesian product of two sets.